Good day, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube lecture channel. You can enroll in YouTube Partner Program only if you have subscribed to YouTube Partner Program. Now, let's see the minimum eligibility of YouTube Partner Program. According to YouTube, minimum 4,000 watchers should have seen your channel audience within a year. Similarly, more than 1,000 subscribers should have subscribed to your channel. So, mainly YouTube expects these two things from you. Similarly, it doesn't matter how many years you have been creating your channel. But in the last 12 months, your channel should have 4,000 public watchers. That is, your viewers should have watched your YouTube videos for 4,000 hours. Once you have got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watchers. Next, you can apply for YouTube Partner Program. That is, for monetization. Once you apply, YouTube will review some things in your channel. Like, what is your main theme? That is, they will review your channel in detail. Like, my channel is a digital marketing channel. So, my theme will be digital marketing. Then, they will review the video with the most views in your channel. Similarly, they will review the latest videos. Then, video meta tags. This is very important. In this, they will review the titles, thumbnails and description. Do you have any clickbait in this? Have you created a fake thumbnail? Have you given a proper description? Have you said something in the video and in the description? They will verify all these in detail. So, if all these are correct, they will allow you in YouTube Partner Program. Next, let's see about community guidelines. According to community guidelines, YouTube will be very strict. Like, you spam in your videos. Similarly, uploading videos like scams. Like, making videos to make money out of something you don't have. Then, reviewing a fake product. Then, promoting fake websites. So, you should not do all these things in your channel. Similarly, you should not upload sexual content. Then, child safety. Then, uploading harmful, dangerous content. Like, putting an accident. Then, uploading hate speech in a bad word. So, you should not do all these. Like, harassment, cyberbullying. Like, talking to a person about a wrong accusation. Saying something that is not true. All these will result in cyberbullying. So, if you don't follow these guidelines, your channel will not be eligible for YouTube Partner Program. So, avoid all these and create your own content. Now, let's apply for YouTube Partner Program. Go to your channel, click on Settings. In this, you should change the default unit. So, select India. So, INR will be Indian rupee. So, select that. Select and click on Save. Now, it is saved. Now, click on Monetization in your analytics. You will get a dashboard called Grow with YouTube. So, if you see here, subscriber is 0. Similarly, public watcher is also 0. Because, this is a channel created for demo. Once you start uploading content, your subscribers will start coming. So, it will be automatically updated here. Similarly, public watcher will also be updated. So, in the last 12 months, if you have 4,000 watch time. Similarly, if you have gained 1,000 subscribers, automatically, YouTube Partner Program will send a notification to your email. For that, what we have to do is, YouTube Partner Program will send a notification to our email. After that, we have to connect our AdSense account to our YouTube channel. So, we are going to see that in detail in the upcoming videos. So, if you have created a new YouTube channel, then you must follow these steps. Similarly, you must follow community guidelines. So, I think you have understood everything I said. If you have any doubt in this, comment in the comments section. I will definitely give you a solution for that. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Only then, you will get all the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. And have a good day.